Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. I have an important update to give you on Cozmo 2.0 and Vector 2.0, so don't go away. So guys, in the past 3 months, I did receive a lot of comments and I thought I would give you an update on what's happening with Cozmo. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, I just want to say that Cozmo 2.0 and Vector 2.0, I pre-ordered both of them about 2 years ago. According to my MasterCard statement, it was in November 2020. And this was shortly after the Kickstarter campaign. So I am a very early adopter. I never received my Vector 2.0 and Cozmo 2.0, despite the several emails I received from DDL in the past 6 months. Now, with all these problems, I decided 3 months ago to to ask for a refund. Now you need to hear my story. My refund for Vector 3 months ago, that was in November 2020. My refund for Vector was declined. DDL said that Vector was in the warehouse, ready to be shipped. It was too late to get a refund. That was 3 months ago. I never received my Vector 2.0, so DDL lied to me. At the same time, I asked for a refund for Cozmo 2.0. They said, yes, okay. They tried, of course, to discourage me from asking for a refund. And after 3 emails, they said, yeah, okay, we will go ahead with your refund. That was 2 months ago. No refund yet. So 1 month ago, I contacted my MasterCard. I gave them the whole story. They said, sir, this is 2 years old, but we will try to do the best we can. So they contacted DDL. I got an update yesterday from MasterCard. They contacted DDL and they are asking for my money back. I told MasterCard, look, I've been asking DDL for 3 months. Maybe you'll be more lucky, but I haven't got my money back. So in my case, it's 2 robots. It is $500 Canadian that DDL owes me. $500, which is about $350 US approximately. So guys, I am not happy. I'm getting a lot of comments. It looks like everybody's getting the same email from DDL. The one that says, Vector is about to be shipped. It's too late to get the refund. Or about Cozmo, yes, we are processing your refund. Which is funny is that DDL says, do not send more emails. If you contact us again, it may delay your refund. Like, who says that? I'm trying not to laugh here, so I just laughed. So guys, I thought I would give you an update. I was waiting, and today is January 25th. I was waiting to get like a clear update from MasterCard. I got one yesterday. I still don't have my money from MasterCard, but I'm a good customer of MasterCard. Like very good. When I used to travel for work, I had to have a limit of $25,000 because I was traveling, buying airplane tickets on the fly for 2 weeks. My MasterCard was going up to above 20K. So I'm a good customer. Hopefully they will do something for me. So guys, if you're still there, my precious, not ring, but my precious subscribers, I have to tell you a story. I have not been idle for the past 3 months. It's just that I did not post videos for the reason I'm going to tell you in 1 minute. So I've been doing, look at that, the UCS Razer Crest from the Mandalorian TV series. This set is just amazing. You can take it apart. You can see inside the cockpit here. It comes with the mini figurines, or I should say the characters that we see in the TV series as mini figurines. You can open all the sides. You can open the cargo in the back. 6,000 pieces. I forgot the exact count. It's around 6,000. Amazing set. And I did not do a video. I'll explain why later. I'm currently working on the marble machine. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to turn it here. So it's not finished, as you can see. It's maybe 1/3 completed. But I'll show you one piece here just to show you the details of this set. Hopefully camera will do a good focus. Look at that. You have also plexiglass pieces, as you can see. So the marble will roll, as you can see, in these two rails over here. And the finished machine will look like this. Look at this. It's about $50 US on Amazon. That's where I got it. Also, let me see here. I bought a new watch. Look at that. It's the Misfit, not Amaze, a Misfit T-Rex Pro. I want to give you the exact name. Look at that. Okay guys, I'm showing my watch because the battery will last not one day like an Apple Watch or my Samsung was lasting a day and a half. Not 2 days, not 3 days, not a week, not 2 weeks, more than 15 days. I charged this watch the last time was 15 days ago and I have 13% power left. Amazing. The only thing is you cannot answer a call or talk. There is no microphone. You cannot answer a phone call. So you have to get your phone, which is fine anyway. I was getting my phone. I'm not the type to talk on a watch like that for half an hour. So yeah, to me, battery life is more important than being able to talk on a watch. I built a new computer. Also, I'll show a picture here. It's in my office. It's too big to carry here. So you can see in the picture, I decided to go for a white theme. Everything is white except for the motherboard. So I have a RX 6650. One of the only companies that make them is Power Color. So as you can see, it's white. Power supply is white. Thermal take. So this is built around the P3. I forgot now. P6. Sorry, the P6 Snow Edition. It's all white. And I'm currently working on a monitor screen, as you can see in the second picture. It's a 5-inch screen. You can also get a 3.5-inch. This is the model here, 3.5-inch. It's a little small, so I bought this one first, and then I upgraded to the 5-inch screen, so you can monitor temperatures. I think you can do also fan speeds. I think so. But anyway, it's a cool thing to add to your PC. So I said 1 minute ago that I did not post videos on my Lego build because something happened with Lego and Emo. You see Emo over here. I'll put him right there. This is Emo. I contacted a YouTube expert and he told me precisely what happened. I have about 200 videos on Cozmo and I think 100 on Vector. Like I've been doing videos since Cozmo came out. So I have videos on mini games, on coding, all that stuff. So for the YouTube algorithm, I am obviously a Cozmo and Vector expert. So when I started to post videos on Emo, the algorithm started to question the trustworthiness or seriousness of my channel because I was posting something different. The same with Lego. My channel started to be downgraded by YouTube. The more videos I was posting on Lego and Emo, the lower my views were going. It was just amazing in the wrong way of amazing. I just couldn't believe it. So I stopped doing videos of Emo and Lego. I think my last video on Lego was the Hogwarts Castle, I think. That's also 6,000 pieces. Amazing set. It's in my office as a display case on my bookshelf. The Hogwarts Castle in Harry Potter. So guys, that's the reason. My latest videos on Legos, I was getting about 50 views. 50. And if you did a search, you could never see my video. Never. You would only find my video the same with Emo if you typed in YouTube Super Dantec Emo or Super Dantec Lego. That's the only way you would find my videos. So I stopped basically because I mean like what's the point of doing a video when you get 50 views? I also have a new job. I'm not working for Amazon. I'm very, very busy during the day, so I don't have much time now to do videos. Also, I have weekends, but I'm also busy on weekends. So guys, going back to Cozmo and Vector, now you have my story. I'm sure many of you have the same story. I'm going to post a new video as soon as I hear back from MasterCard about my refund. We'll see what happens. So as always, guys, if you have any questions or comments or you want to share your experience, please do it in the comments below. It's good not only for me, but also all the viewers who are looking for more information on what's happening. So thank you very much for watching this long video and have a great day. Goodbye, guys.